Let's simplify -3 times -1 plus 2x plus 7. Now, there are two ways we can go about this. The first way we can go about it is by using distributive property before combining our like terms. So I'm going to draw a line here, and we'll do one method on one side and the other on the other. So this one, let's use distributive property. Now, when we use distributive property, everything that's being multiplied out here belongs to everything inside. So let's break this open. So we're going to rewrite this as -3 times -1. Then we're going to add -3 times 2x. And then we're going to add -3 times 7. Okay, now we multiply. So -3 times -1 is +3. -3 times 2x is -6x. And -3 times 7 is -21. Now we have these like terms that we can work with. So we have our 3 and our -21. We combine those and we get -18. And we have our -6x, so I like to put the variables first. So -6x minus 18. Now, if we used our second method, it might be a little less confusing, especially with all these negatives and positives. What we're going to do here is we're going to combine our like terms inside the parentheses before we use distributive property. So we have our -3, and inside we have our -1, and we have our +7. Those combine to make +6. So we're going to rewrite this as 2x plus 6. Now we have less terms to distribute out to. So we're going to rewrite this -3 times 2x plus -3 times 6. And -3 times 2x is -6x. And -3 times 6 is, well, -18. So 6x minus 18. We got the same answer. So whichever way you do it, you'll get the same answer. I find combining our like terms before we distribute a little easier because there's less terms to deal with. But either way, you're going to get the same answer.